Hello everyone. Today we're going to learn body parts from head to toe in Korean. These are really useful expressions, so please follow along until the end. Let's start with the head. There are so many parts on the head. Let's go through them from top to bottom step by step. Head,
머리,
hair,
머리카락,
crown,
정수리,
forehead,
이마,
temple,
관자놀이,
eyebrow,
눈썹,
eyelashes,
속눈썹,
eyelid,
눈꺼풀,
double eyelid,
쌍꺼풀,
eye,
눈,
pupil,
동공,
iris,
홍채,
pupil and iris,
눈동자,
sclera,
공막, 흰자,
or
흰자위,
eye bag,
애교살,
nose,
코,
nostril,
콧구멍,
nose bridge,
콧대,
between the eyebrows,
미간,
philtrum,
인중,
mouth,
입,
lips,
입술,
upper lip,
윗입술,
lower lip,
아랫입술,
gum,
잇몸,
tooth,
이빨,
or
치아,
incisor, or front tooth,
앞니,
canine tooth,
송곳니,
molar, or cheek tooth,
어금니,
wisdom tooth,
사랑니,
tongue,
혀,
cheek,
볼,
or
뺨,
cheekbone,
광대뼈,
chin,
턱,
jaw,
턱뼈,
ear,
귀,
earlobe,
귓불,
earhole,
귓구멍,
auricle,
귓바퀴,
wrinkle,
주름,
mole,
점,
neck.
목,
Now let's move down to the torso. Shoulder,
어깨,
collarbone,
쇄골,
chest,
가슴,
waist,
허리,
stomach, abdomen, or belly,
배,
navel or belly button,
배꼽,
armpit,
겨드랑이,
side,
옆구리,
nape,
목덜미,
back,
등,
arm,
팔,
upper arm,
상완,
elbow,
팔꿈치,
forearm,
팔뚝,
wrist,
손목,
hand,
손,
finger,
손가락,
thumb,
엄지,
index finger,
검지,
middle finger,
중지,
ring finger,
약지,
pinky,
새끼손가락,
palm,
손바닥,
palm line,
손금,
fingernail,
손톱,
back of the hand.
손등,
Here's the lower body. Hip,
엉덩이,
buttock,
엉덩이,
or
둔부,
thigh,
허벅지,
knee,
무릎,
shin,
정강이,
calf,
종아리,
ankle,
발목,
foot,
발,
toe,
발가락,
big toe,
엄지발가락,
little toe,
새끼발가락,
toenail,
발톱,
instep,
발등,
sole,
발바닥,
heel.
발뒤꿈치,
Finally, here are commonly used other body parts and internal organs. Joint,
관절,
muscle,
근육,
bone,
뼈,
skin,
피부,
brain,
뇌,
heart,
심장,
lung,
폐,
kidney,
신장,
liver,
간,
stomach,
위장,
blood vessel,
혈관,
thyroid,
갑상선,
pancreas,
췌장,
spleen,
비장,
bladder,
방광,
intestine,
장,
gallbladder,
담낭,
or
쓸개,
appendix,
맹장,
or
충수.
that's it! We've covered all the major body parts from head to toe. These are expressions you'll use a lot in daily life, so make sure to remember them. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video. Don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe if you haven't already.